Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today I'm going to share with you my 4-year journey of being whole food plant-based.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So I've been whole food plant-based for 4 whole years, along with my family. We all decided to do this together, and it's been the greatest decision that I think we could have ever made for our health and for the environment and for animal rights. It's just been really life-changing. And what better time right now than to share this with you right before the New Year's so you can make your New Year's resolution to eat better and to go whole food plant-based and to just jump right in and do it. When we decided to do this 4 years ago, we decided just to jump right in. And the main reason was that I had just turned 40 and I was just feeling achy all of the time, and I was having heart palpitations, which really just scared me a lot. So we just read Eat to Live by Dr. Fuhrman, and we decided just to do his 6-week plan and just go full in, just do it really strict. And it was only probably a week in, maybe less than 2 weeks in, we just felt amazing. All the aches and pains were gone. My heart palpitations were gone, and I had more energy than I knew what to do with. And that was with 0 coffee. I even wiped out coffee. Even though I drink a bit now, then I just decided I just wanted to take it out. So I was really shocked that it happened so quickly, and we lost weight really quickly. You know, my skin cleared up. Everything was just going great. So we decided just to keep with it. And here we are 4 years later. We've had some ups and downs, you know, and some tests, like all of this amazing vegan food that's out there right now. But, you know, there are a lot of processed vegan junk food out there too that's so tempting. But what I realized really quickly was that when I would eat those types of things or eat too much processed type of food, I would just start to feel kind of bad again. My aches and pains would start to come back. My headaches were coming back. And I thought, you know, I know better. That stuff isn't really good for me, so I need to really be careful how much of that I eat. Another thing that we learned was that you can't just do whole food plant-based eating and think that that's just going to solve everything. Because, you know, we live in stressful times. Your stress is a factor. Your sleep is a factor, exercise is a factor. It's more of a holistic approach. You really have to look at the bigger picture. Even with just minimal exercise, my husband and I walk the dog every day about 3 miles, and that has been able to keep our weight and our health very consistent for this entire 4 years. Some of the things that will help you along the way, which I've learned, is that you need to find yourself a social group. You know, or at least a friend or one of your family members to help support you on this journey, because it's not easy. Having that support will help keep you on track and help you to keep yourself in check and to feel good about yourself and the choices that you make. Another thing that helps is to give yourself a reboot every once in a while. You know, go back and revisit some of those wonderful documentaries that you've probably already seen, like What the Health, Forks Over Knives, that new one, Dominion, that's just come out. There's so many, I can't even list them all. But revisit them and remind yourself why you made this choice. The last thing that I'll say that will really help you is make yourself a cooking plan, like a meal plan for the week, so that you can make maybe a soup on the weekend, make a big pot of soup that you have so you can have it in the refrigerator, so you always have something that you can eat. You know, if you're running late or running behind on something, have a huge bowl of fruit on your countertop. So if you're, you know, if you are running late, you can just grab 2 or 3 fruits on the way out. You know, pack some little baggies or little Tupperware containers of nuts so that you can just grab it quickly, or send them with your kids, you know, so that if you're out and about and you start to get hungry but there's no options for you, you at least have that. And visit our website. There's a whole list of wonderful recipes, mains, soups, salads, desserts, and a lot of salad dressings. Plenty of delicious stuff to treat yourself with and to really enjoy eating whole food plant-based. So at the end of this 4 years, I'd like to just say I'm so happy that we made this choice. I feel wonderful. My family is all happy and healthy. So join me this year and give yourself the best gift that you can this year and become whole food plant-based, because you'll not only be doing this for yourself, you'll be helping to heal the environment and bettering animal welfare.